Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually use the quick scope in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead to Valorant client and then launch the client, open the account and then play the game. Now, after you can see, this is the window that shall be open for us. So, let's click on play and then I will need you guys to go to a custom game here, or I will choose the practice and let's choose this shooting test. Click on enter range and let's wait a little bit. So now I will show you how to actually quick scope using whatever gun you want. So Marshall, Operator, or even Chamber Ultimate, you can use that in it as well. So now let's wait and let's choose Chamber, play Chamber. So let's wait until it changes the okay. So basically, let me just reduce the audio a little bit. So basically, if you done something like that, it will be like so random. So basically, what you need to do, guys, if like you wanted to aim like to hit without even scoping, there is no way you can actually do it because the possibilities are so multiple. For example, now if I shoot, for example, let's make let's shoot here, for example. So let's try here. It shoot it there. Now it shoots higher. Now even higher. And there is nothing that actually can control this. So you can't really aim without having the scope on. But you can really have the quick scope, which is something that will look somewhere around that. But it's not really scoping. So you just have to like make it as fast as you can. Like you don't wait until it's scoped, but while scoping, so something like that, we can do this. So you don't really wait until it's scoped, but something like that. So you just give it a half second and then you shoot. So half second shoot, half second shoot, something like that. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you learned something, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching. And yeah guys, you can use this with all guns that are snipers in the game. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.